Hello, Breck. Hi folks, we are up having a nosy at the forestry operations up on Iton Hill. And like any boy, we do like our big machines, don't we? This is a impressive bit of kit. A forest munching machine, or I think this one's just moves the logs. I think the forest munching machine will be elsewhere. They've been busy in the last week or two, these guys and ladies. They've got all their nicely stacked logs ready for the lorries to pick them up and take them away. So, most impressive operation. Looks like they're having today off, which is a Saturday. Up in the hill you can see more logs stacked up there. You might be able to see them, maybe not. So that's where they're doing most of their work. Nice to see they've left alone the natural broadleaf trees and they're just taking down the conifers. So, looking good, guys. I'm well impressed. I think I'll go up and have a look what's going on up the hill. Breck, are you going to join me? Yeah? Right, check in soon. Okay, we've just went into hyperdrive to get up here and flew up the hill, and we're now at the business end of operations. This is the big tree munching machine. Love seeing this. Impressive bit of kit, and it's incredible what type of landscapes it can get up into really steep, inaccessible hills. Most impressive bit of kit. This will be contractors working for Till Hill Forestry. Wow. Oh, shall we have a look at the business end? There it is there. The tree munching machine. Very impressive piece of engineering. Brilliant. Okay, Breck, we'll carry on our travels, and again they've left this lovely old tree alone, which is nice. An old beech tree, I think. But harvesting all the other stuff, the larch and what have you. Okay. And they'll carry on down that direction. So, excellent. I'll leave these guys to it. I think they're having today off. Okay, while I was up these parts, I thought I'll check on Secret Squirrel and drop off a nice little log, cutting log I found for chopping wood. So here we are. Not been here this year. We're now officially into springtime. It's March, and here it is. Here is Secret Squirrel, and considering the amount of storms that have battered this area, it's not collapsed. So that's something. Let's stick this here. That'll be good for chopping wood. This bit's still standing. Go round the back. Oh, big hole at the back. Oh, that's good. What drafts in. Around here. It needs some upkeep, like anybody's house. You have to invest in a bit of time and what have you to keep it wind and waterproof. So I think a little day here with some DIY, some renovations, get the roof back on, and I'll be as right as rain. Aye, it's not too bad, Breck. Stop eating wood. Breck, drop it. Breck thinks he's a beaver. He's some boy. Come on, let's go. I'm going to head off now. So just a quick check. It's looking okay. Quite happy with that. Right, let's go! Right, Brecky, when I say ready, you can have your snack. Okay, so sit nicely. Okay, you be a good boy. So, when I say ready, steady, go, that's when you go for it. Okay, this is it. Brick, ready, steady, go, go, go. Oh, good boy. He's a good lad, he deserves a treat. Oh, right folks, we've decided to hang out for a wee while here at Secret Squirrel. It's just such a lovely day. It's a beautiful spot. It's quite warm, and so we're quite happy. We're enjoying the views. Ricky boy's probably just out of shot. You better come over and say hello. Come on, over here, this way. No, no, stop there, that way. Come on, come and say hello to your fans. Sit down. Here he is. Here's the star of the show, Ricky boy. We're just chilling out. He's had all his treats, and we're doing the most important thing to do with outdoor life, bushcraft, exploring, is actually enjoying the peace and quiet and having some quality time. So we're just chilling out for a few minutes, then we'll head on back to the carry. Yes, yes, he's my friend. He's my pal. Okay folks, that's us done. We're back at the car. We've had a good adventure checking out the sights of the logging up in the hill. They're doing a grand job, a very tidy and responsible logging going on by a very good company called Till Hill Forestry. So we're just going to head home now. So if you enjoyed having a wee nosy at what's going on up the hill, I hope you enjoyed it. Give us a thumbs up, and the rest is history. This is Ballyburn checking out.